Hey y'all, I'm Sharita, owner of Blank Space Designs, a boutique stationery, accessories, and gift shop. If you're into small business studio vlogs and a bunch of rambling from a 9 to 5 corporate girly who should probably get more sleep and ingest a lot less caffeine, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Last week, my corporate job kicked my ass. So yesterday afternoon, around 3 p.m., when the Sunday scaries were trying to creep into my mind, I made the executive decision that I was taking a mental health day on Monday. So here we are, taking a mental health day that is well deserved. It is a busy time of the year at my 9 to 5 job, and I have not really taken the time off or taken the rest that I really needed in order to do a sufficient job. So I did the usual prepare the others email and decided that Monday was going to be for me.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems.
Today, I have 2 notepad orders that I need to get into the mail. So while I'm already cutting, printing, and gluing a few together, I might as well make some extras in order to put them into the retail space and to get them ready for a pop-up event that I have in a few weeks. Wednesday was truly a ridiculous day. For most of the morning, my printer refused to print anything without these teeny tiny black dots all over everything. I wasted so much paper trying to get it fixed. But eventually, after a couple of different head cleanings, it started printing in the way that it should. But of course, since I had already wasted so much time and materials with the printer, my Cricut also decided that it wasn't going to work correctly. It would not fully cut through any material that I put on the mat. It would cut through half of the image and the other half virtually untouched. I cannot tell you how many variations of Google searches and YouTube searches I had to do in order to find the answer to my problem. So, because I like y'all, I have linked the video that completely solved my Cricut issue. I'm still quite upset that I had to take the thing apart in order to solve the issue, but very grateful that at least there was this video to help me with this. After fixing the Cricut issue, I took a break. I made another coffee, I ate some fries, I watched a little Bob's Burgers, and then I came back and cussed the Cricut out once again because I felt like it deserved it. Then we moved on into making the rest of the magnetic bookmarks. And then I cussed the Cricut out yet again because what are you doing? It's fine. I'm fine. Everything's fine. We finally got it all done. Good morning, good morning. We are getting a little bit of a late start this morning. I decided to sleep in for God knows what reason, but apparently my body needed it, so now that I'm up, I am definitely raring to go. It's a little bit of a busy day, mainly because I have a lot of non-small business things that I need to do today, so I'm trying to spend about an hour or two getting some things out of the way so I can move on to some other personal and professional things that I need to work on this afternoon. For those of you who may not know, I am a 9-to-5 corporate girly, and sometimes my job wants me to actually work, to my chagrin, of course. So I have quite a few things that I need to do for them today. And I am also in the process of attempting to switch up careers a little bit. So I have a certification exam that I am taking this evening. So even though you will absolutely see this video well after I have taken that certification, let's all hope that I pass and that I am not currently crying in a tub because of my utter and abject failure. So what we're going to do this morning is prepare and package up some of the magnetic bookmarks that I made yesterday. The retail space that I'm currently in has run out of this one, which people really, really love. So I definitely need to look into a different version of this. So I need to drop off a few more of these. They've run out of this one as well. I like books more than people, so we need to re-up on that. And they also are running pretty low on this one, Hot Girls Read Books. So just for a very quick restock, I made a few of these yesterday, and I'm going to attempt to drop them off sometime tomorrow morning, more than likely. So let's get started. I think I'm going to close this vlog out here. The last couple of days fighting with my printer and my Cricut has really taken it out of me. And I think I just want to shut it all down, and we'll start again sometime next week. As always, thanks for hanging out with me. And let me know in the comments if you are also guilty of cussing out inanimate objects whenever it doesn't do what you want them to do. For example, I just cussed out the ice maker in my refrigerator about 15 minutes ago because it spit too much ice at me. I can't be the only one. Please let me know I'm not the only one. As always, thanks for watching, guys. See you around.